Exhilaro! If you want to make your own magic wand, then I have the tutorial for you. We're going to start with our piece of paper, and you're not going to be able to see this, but I'm just going to run it over the edge of my table just to kind of prepare it to start getting a curl shape to it. I'm going to take my double-sided adhesive and I'm going to run some adhesive from corner to corner, and then using my straw, I'm going to begin rolling it. Now I'm going to take this and go along the edges of my paper and just keep rolling. I'm going to grab my scissors and we're just going to even up those ends. Next, we're going to bring in our glue, and we're just going to use our finger and rub that into the paper. And it only needs to dry for about 20, maybe 30 minutes. And you want to fill it till you get almost like a little bubble there at the end. Now that the tip is dry, we can begin using the hot glue to add texture or patterns to our wand. So this is really the fun part. So I'm just going to start by just adding a whole bunch of texture all over, and then I will add a handle. You can paint yours however you want. And there is my finished wand. I absolutely love how it turned out. Can you believe that that is just made with some paper, some hot glue, some adhesive, and some paint?